Hey, what's up, everyone? So, let me just show you how to remove blanks in an Excel document, okay? Because this is really important when you're cleaning things up. So, what I've just done is a lot of times, if I have an different Excel spreadsheets that I am copying and pasting emails to, sometimes the copying and pasting won't work because the cell size here isn't the same. Okay, so I want to remove these blanks, and then I'm going to show you how to just merge and unmerge the cells so that you can copy and paste from a Word document and make all the cells the same size, and you can continue to copy and paste to the Excel document. Okay, so here we go. What we're going to do is we're going to select F5 here, and at the bottom we're going to select Special. Okay, we're going to hit blanks just like that, and then we're going to hit OK. So now what it's going to do, it's going to select all the blanks there, okay? So now I'm just going to simply come up to here, see up here where it says delete, and I'm going to hit delete. And that's going to take out all the blanks that I have throughout the document. Simple as that, okay? So now when you have copy and pasted from a Word document and then you want to try to manipulate this Excel spreadsheet, a lot of times it will give you an error message that says that the cells are not the same size or that they are merged. And what you want to do is you want to come up to this merge in center, but you want to hit the drop down menu. This is still working, folks. So just hang on one second. All right. And we'll get you some good information because it can be so frustrating when you're sitting there trying to mess around with this Excel documents and it freaking doesn't work for you. So this stuff is great to know. And it's always just really simple to ask Google how to do it. It usually comes right up. Okay. So here's what we do. We go unmerge cells. We select this first and then we hit unmerge cells and that will um, make all the cells the same size and it will uh, and that's we'll merge them together and now you have a nice Excel document with all the cells being the same size. Okay, very important. Again, if we want to click this and take out all the duplicates, we go to data and we click remove duplicates and that will remove all the duplicates from um, this column. Okay, that's it. Don't forget to save your work always with Excel. Okay. All right, guys, we'll see you in the next video.